Hi everyone, my name is Akshay Agarwal. I work as a corporate trainer, speaker, and a coach. Today, I want to share something very interesting with you, which is a brainchild of a recent workshop which I delivered with the top management of an organization who is responsible for hiring the best talent for their company. And it was less of a session but more of a facilitation and a discussion what we had, that what is the best approach to hire the best people around us. Now obviously it is known to everybody that we should not focus on somebody who have a great amount of knowledge, but we should focus on somebody who has great attitude towards the work. Now it is very easy to be said but really hard to be accomplished while you're sitting on that chair to hire somebody. That how do you hire somebody with a great positive attitude and problem solving ability? So solution to this problem lies in asking a lot of situational questions. So I will not hesitate to give you an example of my own industry, wherein we sit with a lot of stakeholders to hire the trainers for their respective organization. Now, if you ask them that what all topics will you cover in a session of leadership, so they can very easily say that we'll talk about empathy, we will talk about the people management, we'll talk about art of giving feedback, and blah 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 blah. So the list will go on. But real fun happens when we ask them this question, that imagine that you are taking up a session and out of 25 participants, you see that two of the participants are really drunk in the class and now they are creating a nuisance. How will you deal with a situation like that? And trust me, when we ask a question like this to a lot of trainers, we come up with very interesting answers. And another question, for example, so when we put them into different situations, the real attitude of the candidate comes on the table, for which he or she can never prepare beforehand, because in that situation whatever they are speaking is their true self. So also I asked this question to somebody that imagine it's a group of 30 odd people who are sitting in your training room as participants, and let's say amongst them 15 people are not at all participative. They are in their own world, they are not responding to whatever you are doing. And how would you deal with a situation like that? So a lot of trainers came up with their own answers. One of them said that I will make it more engaging, more interesting, I will get them into some activity, I will do an icebreaker, I will crack a joke, I will show them some videos and whatnot. But I really like one of the candidates who said that I will take a pause, I will take a 1 minute break, and I will introspect that am I doing something wrong, that I'm not able to gauge with these people and they are not participating, and then I will take up this as a challenge and try to find out the solution. So I really like this approach of this particular trainer, and obviously we hired him and he is doing a great job in the respective organization. So a tip for all the people who are going to take up an interview: do not ask the questions which will test their knowledge, but ask them the questions which will allow them to think on the spot, and basis on their attitude and thought process they will give you an answer. And I think this will allow you to hire a great candidate for your own organization. Good wishes, and happy to be serving you.